Okay.
I got it.
Come here, Bunny. Come here. Okay. Okay. Kaylee can actually do this, but you know what? She was doing it. She was doing it about 20 times last night before she went to bed.
Now.
Okay, dance. Let me see dance.
No, take this whole video off.
And she can do it. There you go. There you go. You got it back. Oh! You need your shoes on. What you doing, Bunny?